Hello students, in this lecture today we will study capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. So let's start. Parallel plate capacitor. It consists of two parallel conductor plates of same area either in a rectangular or circular shape having equal and opposite charges on their inner surface and placed at small distance d. Means we have a conducting plate of positive charge density and another one is same conducting plate but negative charge density placed at a small distance d. So the electric field in between the plates will be E vector and outer side it will be 0 here and here, but inside there will be some electric field. Why outside electric field is 0 we will see later. This is the electric field. When positive Q charge is given to the plate P1, it means here this is the positive charge density and there is a negative charge density already we know. So when we are giving the positive charge to P1 plate, then on P2 plate there will induce negative charge on the inner surface of the plate and positive charge on outer surface of this plate, but the outer surface of this plate is grounded. That's why this charge will be vanish, this positive charge will be vanish. और ये हम प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. ठीक है, अब ये आपके पास में एक कैपेसिटर है. ओके, पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर बोलेंगे बिकॉज बोथ द प्लेट्स आर पैरेलल, केप्ट पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. ओके, then negative charge induced on inner surface of the plate P2 while positive charge on its outer surface which is grounded. Okay, so due to grounded of this plate surface the charge will vanish. It means this is the positively charged plate and this is the negatively charged plate, or the charge density of this plate is positive and the charge density of this plate is negative. So charge density of this plate is positive and charge density of this plate is negative. Now we will find out the electric field due to this system at this point, left side to A plate, on midpoint of both plates and right side of this plate. So here this is the first region, this is second region and this is third region. So net electric field in region 1 means net electric field due to this arrangement in the region first. So in the first region, due to positive charge density, electric field will be away from to this, means in this direction. ये आपका पॉजिटिव प्लेट है, तो ड्यू टू पॉजिटिव प्लेट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी विल बी अवे फ्रॉम टू दिस, and due to negative charge density the electric field at that point will be towards to this plate. So both electric field intensity at this point will be equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, so it will be cancel out. See, in the first region sigma upon 2 epsilon naught due to positive charge density and minus n cap means नेगेटिव एक्सिस, ये नेगेटिव ले रहे हैं हम और इधर का क्या ले रहे हैं पॉजिटिव. ड्यू टू नेगेटिव चार्ज डेंसिटी दिस विल बी माइनस सिग्मा अपॉन 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट, एंड यहाँ अगर हम माइनस यूज करते हैं तो इसकी भी डायरेक्शन क्या हो जाएगी, ये वाली हो जाएगी. बट अगर फ्रेंड्स स्टूडेंट्स हम यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन नहीं लेते हैं तो डायरेक्शन ही शो करेगा, क्योंकि नेगेटिव नेगेटिव क्या हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव, तो पॉजिटिव एक्स डायरेक्शन शो करेगा, इट विल बी कैंसिल आउट। सिमिलरली इन द रीजन थर्ड, तो ये आपका थर्ड रीजन है, यहां भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी क्या हो जाएगी, जीरो हो जाएगी, बिकॉज ड्यू टू नेगेटिव चार्ज डेंसिटी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी टूवर्ड्स टू दिस प्लेट एंड ड्यू टू पॉजिटिव चार्ज डेंसिटी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट दैट पॉइंट विल बी away from to this, so both will be cancel out and electric field intensity becomes zero at that point. Now electric field in the gap between two plates or in region second, so here in this region in between the plates, so at that point due to positive charge density electric field intensity direction will be towards to negative plate, and due to negative charge density electric field intensity at that point will be towards to this plate, so both intensity in the direction of negative plate or along to positive axis, it means both electric field will be added. So electric field in second region equals to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught n cap along to x direction and sigma upon 2 epsilon naught n cap negative negative positive हो जाएगा, so along to x cap, it means in the second region net electric field becomes sigma upon epsilon naught along to positive x direction. The electric field between two plate of capacitor is uniform. So if the separation between two plate is d, then potential difference between these two plates will be V equals to E into distance between both plates, so E into d. Okay, so E is sigma upon epsilon naught, d is d, that is equals to V. So V equals to sigma is Q upon A, charge per unit area, so Q upon epsilon naught A into d. So potential becomes Q upon epsilon naught A into d. So the capacitance of the capacitor, and the capacitor is parallel plate capacitor. C equals to charge given to the capacitor divided by potential rises due to this charge. So C equals to Q upon V. Q is Q and V is Q upon epsilon naught A into d. So C equals to Q upon Q into d epsilon naught A. That's why capacitance C becomes epsilon naught A upon d. C equals to epsilon naught A upon d. It means C is proportional to A, means capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor depends on the area of the conducting plates, and C is directly proportional to 1 upon d. It means capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor depends on distance between the plates. So from here it is clear that to increase the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor, we have to increase the area of the plates. Okay, and C is proportional to 1 by d. It means by increasing the d, C will decrease, or by decreasing the d, C will increase. It means to increase the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor, we have to decrease the separation between the plates. If the space between the plates is filled with the dielectric medium of relative permittivity epsilon r, it means यहाँ हमने जो स्टडी किया है वहाँ इनके बीच में वैक्यूम या एयर हमने एज्यूम किया है. सो फॉर एयर और वैक्यूम परमिटिविटी इज एप्सिलॉन नॉट, जो हमने यहाँ पे यूज किया है. अगर यहाँ कोई मीडियम हम फिल कर देते हैं, इफ देयर इज द डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम ऑफ परमिटिविटी रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी एप्सिलॉन आर or permittivity epsilon, then epsilon naught replaced by epsilon and epsilon equals to epsilon naught epsilon r. So C becomes A epsilon naught epsilon r upon d, where epsilon r is the dielectric constant or relative permittivity K. Capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is directly proportional to the area of the plates and inversely proportional to the distance of separation between them. It means to increase the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor, we have to increase the area of these plates and we have to decrease the separation between these plates. Then we are able to increase the capacitance of the capacitor. Okay students, thank you.